Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Kola Edokpayi dey interview Prince Terry wey marry 3 wives put for house. How e take do am wey be say he get peace and love for his house. You go also hear from the 3 wives wey Prince Terry marry. Make I leave you now, make you hear from Prince Terry and the 3 wives wey marry put for house.
All right. Well, good afternoon, good evening, good morning. Depends on the areas you are. And we are currently one of our brothers who is in his house here to take a brief interview from him. Yes. Okay, sir. This the masses.
Yes, my people for us, I bring greetings. I say compliment of the season, Happy Christmas and the New Year in advance. Like what I talked just now, we did one of our brothers' house, Prince Terry Ogbeni, polygamist, a successful polygamist. Now he be a young man with 3 wives. You know, see, for quite a long time now, we don't dey propagate polygamy. Some people dey say na monogamy, na it good pass. They follow the Western, the very disastrous westernization of our culture and all that. They talk say the Bible talk and say na one man, one wife. That's what the Western people talk. And these same Western people, they'll say woman go fit marry woman, human being go fit marry dog. Man go marry man. Bible not talk say man marry man. Even in fact, even the Bible is in support of polygamy. How many wives Solomon gets? You understand? So for some white people to come and tell us say polygamy bad, and then they tell you say man they marry man, homosexualism and lesbianism say they good. Say animal fit marry human being. Right, we know say that one dey very very alien to our culture. That is why we carry our aeroplane come our brother house. We come ask am how e take put still marry 3 wives for all of them. They dey work like sisters. You know, even if you even come sef, you think say na one mama. You don't think say everybody na one family. You no go know because the way they take dey do things. We wan ask am how e take achieve the success and his call to men. So that is how we dey. So he go introduce himself and he go tell us, "Hey, my oga sir, welcome sir."
Well done.
I greet you sir.
Welcome, my Mazis. That is the Mazis of the Talakawa. God bless you. And
Compliment
of the season.
to you.
Well done.
I greet you.
Yes, my name remains Prince Terry Ogbeni. I be from the direct descendant of the royal family of the Ogbeni of Oye Kingdom, from Delta States. I'm an Urobo man. I be Urobo man. So when I get married to one woman, her name na Maria Oravie, Princess Maria Oravie. So when I marry her, it can't be like tug of war. I don't get peace. I don't find peace. I don't find joy. No time for life wey be say she take give me peace. No time for life she take give me peace. I come dey wonder say wetin dey happen for my own life sef. For when I only one wife, I almost commit suicide. When she give me problem to problem. Upon as I go show love reach, as I go show respect reach, as I go show care reach, na lie o. I come dey say abi I no get luck for woman. Now vex. Now say enough is enough. Now I take decision. I marry am legally. We do registry marriage. But when she frustrates my enemy, I decide say no, enough is enough. I even travel along with her. We go France. Like my children, like my children wey she born for me, the two boys, they dey England now. I travel along with her, but when she want to dey bring all those kind barbaric and stupidity attitude to me, say e wan come dey rule me, I say no. She want say make me just lie down for ground, make she dey mash my head, or make I help am dey wash pants. All those kind life. She wan come become the man for my own house.
She wan come marry you.
The hair make me come turn to woman. I say God forbid. As an African man, it's a taboo for me to play loyalty to woman. That's not green. Now continue. Verse, now take verse come back from France. So I come now meet my that time again. My first wife now, my first wife for us now, the mother of my house, the pillar of my house. I meet am. She come from Ugo ní Yokoriowo, from Ilawagbon family. When I do Egwa, what they call that place? Begwa, something like that. I don't know how they call them. So now from there I for go marry her. Then when she come, I don't say, look, and she know all my, she know all my things what they pass through. Say, woman don't almost won't kill me, see grave, see me. Now I go, but you be small pikin, no. I say, you know they come marry, you let to marry me if you take all my children. He say, why not? I say, you take all my children. That's okay, no problem. Now we just start to. As we start, the life all the sweet they go, and I come see am say she come in fact, housewife material. I can't see am say na traditional housewife material, Africa housewife material. I test am in different form. At times, that time na rug we dey use. My rug clean, na white rug I dey use. I go break some kind dirty people for the rug. Before I'll come out, before I'll come back, you go hear that stain, you go come out and now say, this one, we must marry this one. Na continue marry am. We come dey. When I marry am finish, I come still let her know say e no suppose to end here o. I say look where for dey come. If I marry only you and all eyes go dey on you, my wife, I wan marry just you. You know say normally the thing wan shake somehow. As e wan shake somehow, you as a man, not rude say na me be man, I can do undo now, I go marry. No, hey, no, not do am. Respect the right of a woman. Show her love. Let her know her feeling. Let her understand so you know her feeling. But let her still understand why you want do am with a politely words. Not be saying na ash, not saying na power. Say na me be man, anything I like, I go do. No, not think I'm like that. Respect women. Respect your wife. Show your wife love. Let them understand your feeling. And really, they don't talk on their own. My three wives there. I beg, just show my three wives are there. Don't talk with their mouth. Don't talk with their mouth. Then you still come back. They go to still follow up for you. Yeah, so my three wives. My first wife now wear glass. So. Yes. Yes. Now the first one wear glass. So now the second one I dey center. And the third one I dey last for this side. So all these are my children. That's one of my children. That one at Ejiro. This one at Ofuma. The senior one. My third son, but the rest of the senior one, senior Ofuma, they're abroad. They don't overseas. That one my daughter. That was one of my children. So, but you're not gonna know who born them. You're not gonna know some who's your mama. In the city over there, except they won't talk with their mouth. So come back if you make a. So you show woman love, you show her respect. So when I can't let my wife know, say, look, now I can't go. I can't call now, I can't go through. I can't bribe her, oh hello. I can't say,
You still bribe her?
Yeah, bribe her, guys, make her mind will come down.
Okay.
I say, look the reason my wife happy for this fight. I want to marry second wife. Without you not sign her, I know feel this first one. And really, if your wife not sign her, it go hard. So you need to let your wife know, say, in African tradition, women have been, and really, the one where they accept they come. I give her condition. I say you must respect my senior wife. If you are ready, you can come. So the door open. And really, the second one come comply. When the second one come, the love wey my senior wife come get for her, so tey my senior wife come even dey help her dey wash cloth. Now I break down, you can say I no like her like that, because I say the love not too much. Be like say syphilis don come too come o. Which kind love go come? Me come even dey fear for the kind love wey dem come get for each other. Now so why you go dey help your junior wife dey wash cloth? But that time she born newly sha. That's why I no still like her like that. So I come put stop. But the right from time when my second wife take come, no time. Courage today, they never quarrel. Make anybody quote me. They never fight. See, they'll they do like mad people for my house. Make anybody quote me. And I live video I did so for the world. All my family, A to Z, the Ogbeni family, they quote me. It never happened once. So, can't do I say no. If I not complete and three, no go balance.
Need to balance the equation.
I say, when I travel go home, one of my uncle, blessed memory, one Ogbeni, look at the picture with this. Carry my Papa, when that picture did that so, I be that. Now you can't tell me, when I carry the two of them go worry, I carry them go here, from my papa compound, our grandpa compound. Now he call me. You see, Akanisoro, because Akanisoro be my partner, that be our title name for our domot. Because for the Ogbeni na polygamous man too. Ogbeni na polygamous man. Ogbeni married 5 wives. My papa married 14 wives. No, it's not the number. Mama be the last wife. No, it's not there. Everywhere calm. And no one way not better. No of my papa children not better. No of my papa children wey God not bless. No Ogbeni children wey not better. When I quote me now live video with this soon. So now I come tell me say, he say I can't introduce that my second wife give my uncle. I say that my second wife be this. We say fine. He can't appreciate that. He say well as I be draw triangle. I say yes. He can't make a draw. Now I draw for bra triangle. As I draw, now I say well let me know the meaning of triangle. I say no. He said triangle mean if that three leg not dey ground, man no fit stand. He said this first wife na to cause commotion. The second one na to calm that one down. Then the third one na to balance the equation. He say I go for third wife. He say I no leave her for 2. He said for me to marry 2 wives, I go for third wife, or I make am 5, the 5th wife. Now I go say yes. I say if I see married, they say I'll go for 4, I'll go for 5. And really, it dey my mind to just dey go. Because I know the way my family tell you. Ogbeni family na polygamous family. We not dey marry 1 wife in my family. 1 wife for our family be like taboo. Na abomination for my family. Yeah, I can't see for my spiritual. I get spiritual shop where I dey operate and all those things. So now that is my now for that I forget my 3rd wife. Now I go say I like this one. So now my senior wife. Now he just sign all everything. Sign agba. The second one apply agba. So now so I can't become a polygamous man. So today, why are they successful for polygamous home? We say my 3 wives, I dey respect them and they show them equal right and justice.
Equal right and justice. You talk.
I know they oppress anyone. So you will find out. Me they quote me. I dey respect my wives to the core. But that no mean say or take me for granted. If they take me for granted, I'll put them for high jump. That is me for you. I'm a disciplined man. But I still give thanks to God. Say my wives, see they respect me. The way they respect them. And they show them love. Then they show me love. And they show them respect. They show me respect. So now be see. That's what it be. So now be say tomorrow, you see all my children, so all of them get the same character, the same attitude. Because if children won't condemn to, they say they all begin fight themselves, all rebel themselves. Now mama and the day. So my wives not get that bad blood. So my wives not go fit spoil their children against their brother. Thank you, Nasir Rich.
Okay. We see they come back to you. I pick from the statement wey you make say you dey show that you dey give them equal rights,
Yes.
equal right and justice.
Yes.
Before we come back to that equal right and justice, we need to meet your wives, your
Yes.
beautiful wives.
Okay.
Yes, wey dey be like sisters. So
Yes.
make we ask them
Yeah.
the success, so that and you don already find address and say they never quarrel. Say
At
they
all.
come dey- yes, we dey come
They
back.
make anybody
Yes,
confused.
go meet madam for me ask
Make
questions.
my wife.
Madam, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Iselogbe.
Please, sir, now.
Uh-huh.
Well, sir.
God bless you. God bless
Yes,
you.
sir.
So, are you the mother of the house?
Yes, sir.
Yes. We want to know how serious for your country and learn like this. Now, just the fact. Me never know as if they come here. I never know the one we call former. I don't know the one we call Ejiro. And you understand? And they come if they say all of them they see you. The old children when they return, they see you as their mama. Yes. What be the secret? Because what be the secret?
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
First of all, I first give thanks to the God and the God of our ancestors.
Yes.
Before I start to dey talk. Polygamous son no get problem.
Okay.
No get problem at all. Even when I dey even dey grow the concept. If me go even say I go even do polygamous son, I no go even believe. Say one person tell me say na polygamous son or now the better not believe. According to destiny, I come meet my rightful man say yes. When I come to marry am, the way I come marry am, cause I say yes, na my destiny husband be this. Anything we like, anything we wan do, I no like to distract her put. As far as that, my destiny and the whole rhyme together. Say yes, this one na my husband. I no kick against am. They always support am for anything we wan do. So far, no be evil, no be the evil ones. Na the good things like they always see they do. Why three of us cooperate like that be say na my husband when I marry na he cooperate us like that. Why? Because e no get am webo for the house. Say na this one na be my own webo or na this one na be as I be senior wife so maybe as e come marry dem come say me no get value again. Say abeg I don hold. I no be abeg I no be new chassis again as I dey talk am say I don hold. E no dey like that. As he marry the second wife come, as my oga still dey narrate am dey go come since, as he marry the second one come, he tell am the rules and regulation, the respect and everything wey go dey give me. And yes, I say yes, no problem, go on. And the second one come, he follow up like that. He dey give me the respect, like as he take teach am. He give me the respect. Yes, I take am as my own sister. I say yes. This way they dey say polygamous, now go say this one no be like that. Come see say yes. Now if see one girl for music shop, for spiritual shop, he like am, he wan still marry am. Now cause no problem. Now say I wan see the girl. Now he take invite her come. I come talk to her. Now go say yes. I all like am. My spirit still carry am. Now go say okay, no problem. As far as say my spirit don carry am, say no problem. Now I still take marry am. Now all of us say they do things together. You no get any amwebo. You know they talk something hide. You know my husband no get any secret. You no get anything wey dey hide for us. Everybody na equal. E dey show us love. You know dey hide something for maybe this one come go meet am say see wetin this one do o. Everything na open. If you know say wetin me do you as my mate, see you no like am, talk am for public. No meet am say hey so to spoil anybody head. E no dey like that. Everything na open up. Na make that love everything come strong. Now go say yes, this one fit. As this one na real man. Say yes, wey women dey even dey wan say they wan marry. Polygamous no get problem. Na man heart na e dey. Na the way e go take, na the way e take follow up, na the way e take relation the wives. No join one fight one or no add anything for them. As my husband dey there, so even though for example even get girlfriend for outside sef, go call us, he go tell us say yes, say see wetin see him girlfriend o, say okay no problem. Na man such men na women, some women dey even dey find to marry. Polygamous son no get problem at all. The polygamous son sweet. If na polygamous son the way our own be, so if na so polygamous son be, people therefore no dey complain say polygamous son no good, so polygamous son no good. Polygamous son good, na men hand na e dey. Thank you very much.
God bless you, man. In fact, Uri, you meet I don't know the
Mama.
Mama,
Good evening, sir.
Babo.
Oyoma.
The kind smell we don't do na the kind smell we do na face is not be here o.
Oh God.
Wetin be the secret? Wetin be the secret?
Thank you, sir.
Yeah,
Thank you, sir.
that's good.
Like the secret of this polygamous marriage, first of all, na to give glory to the God of our ancestors when we make this house stand. When still dey give us the grace to make sure say we move on. And by the grace of God, the success of a polygamous marriage na man hand na im dey mostly dey dey. Na for the man to lecture the women wey he marry for house say these are the rules and regulations wey e be say guide the house. If you cannot go with it, just relax. Make e no be like say you come give other women problem for the house. And if you be woman wey e be say you still go with clean heart, you know say you fit carry on with the rule, there is no problem. The house no go hard for you to stay. Na the man hand, because na the hand wey man take carry women na go determine how e house go take dey. As our own polygamous house be, na my husband no get the one wey be say e go say na this one na I love pass, na this one be my amebo. Everybody treat us with love, e treat us equally. Na wetin e give A na e go still give B, or wetin e give the senior wife e go give the small wife. As in, the cooperation is always there. Even if maybe say the thing no still too dey like that, maybe you the one insist say he wan do for this one first, you go still call everybody sit down, no be the one wey be say go still go do for back. My husband no be like that. So that love wey e take dey guide us, the rules wey e be say e dey take dey lecture us to make sure say we no go astray, na God na still give am that wisdom to make sure say e follow up like that. So wahala no dey polygamous home at all. If polygamous home, according to my senior mates, if e dey the way wey be say my husband take dey carry on with am, I no believe say problem go dey when one person take talk say polygamous home bad, polygamous home na juju dem take dey kill theirself. As we be so, we no get church wey we dey go, we no get spiritual person wey dey work for us, because na when one don dey go all those kind place, na there you go come dey see am say errors go come dey come, where error dem go come dey bring am come out. Who no do you something, anything at all, dem go say na the other one. So na for man to put that rules and regulations say this one na wetin dey guide the household. Make una no do like this, make una no do like this. There be still be good women like us, because we are good women. We go follow up with the rules and regulations wey guide the house. So na so I say am. Thank you,
In
sir.
fact, you dey talk well. Say na no get any one prophet, one afa wey go come.
No, e no dey.
One afa wey be say dem go come where problem no dey. Dem go talk say na problem. In fact, all those so-called prophets, they no dey see better vision for person o. They no dey see better vision. And then they'll talk say na so what thing wan happen to somebody. They don't talk say you get free visa to US. Na also negative scenario dey talk, so that make dem for fit go collect money for wetin man talk. So I learn am. I learn a very strong, a very great lesson. They no get anyone person dey go dey make you say go talk say na the first wife, na native doctor na the first wife or the second wife na dey do this thing. Say as far as the wives follow the rules and regulations, wahala no dey. Abi? Yes. Okay, mo meet Mama Twins. Mama Twins. Mama Twins. Good evening, ma.
Well done, sir.
Happy Christmas.
Same to you, sir.
Mama Twins, wetin be the don hear Mama Ejiro doctor, Mama Rome doctor, wetin be the secret? Na just dey happy, dey do things like sisters. Wetin be the secret?
Thank you very much. Firstly, I give thanks to the God of our ancestors, but because without them, person no fit dey live, even the air wey we dey take. So we need to give thanks to the God of our ancestors, because we are traditionalists.
Yes.
Like in Africa, women are told not to be jealous, as my husband first talk.
as an African women, we know say men, African men, they are polygamous in nature. So that one not be wetin person dey hide. African men dem dey marry pass one wife. So we the real African women, as we know say na so e be, so we no need to dey jealous, because wetin dey cause all dis katakata commotion for polygamous home na jealousy. Once jealousy don dey, the women dem fit do and undo because of jealousy, because na jealousy na im dey lead to different things. So the real secret of dis our polygamous home na equal right and justice. Anything wey person dey do for dis our polygamous home na very as in na opudential, no secret. Dem give senior wife, now dem go still give the last one, you wey be the last wife, but not the least to So my mate dem, the senior one, the first and the second, dem don talk everything. So the little one wey me go talk be say the secret of dis polygamous home.
Sister, our mama twins talk just now say men are polygamous in nature. He say it is real African men, they go just legalize polygamy. Instead of say you get one wife for us, you get 3 girlfriends, you get Ekechi, you get one you get Chidinma, you come get Linda wey be say when Linda go dey come, when you don dey house around 8:30, the man mind go dey fly, go don go Elida be tiene o, Elida be tiene. You understand? Na that one you see dey get to cause you see some kind of guests, slave queens. Though if I don't cut the plan, they want to take Chidinma, like wetin we hear wetin happen for Lagos. Somebody from Edo State wey woman kill for Lagos, go collect money for your account and all those kind of stuff. To avoid to avoid emotional Chidinmaism, the nitty-gritty of it, according to the success story, be say make you just marry 3, more than one wife. Let me wetin dey some people dey talk, na so the Baba thing dey see for polygamy. Na so don talk say the first wife pikin dey progress pass the second wife pikin dey progress pass the first wife, or the papa dey give preferential treatment to the first wife children, while the other one children don abandon them. You understand? That's what they always dey see. Wetin make come learn say in all this na the man have now dey. If there is equal right and justice, there will be peace. I don see equal right. That's what this one talk and say if you need peace, then just he say you no need peace. All you need is equal right and justice. When there is equal right and justice, there is peace. How you take the equal right and justice so? How you take the package the equal right of the people want still know? They say they give the right equal right and justice and they don't confirm am.
Yes, when I say equal right and justice, even if na animal know wetin wrong, animal know wetin right. Equal right and justice be say, if you look them, na the same air my wives dey make. My wives, they are into family business. My grandpapa that time, the Ogbeni of Uye, when they do business with British, he call all the family together. All of them, like what the Ogbeni call everybody. He borrow loans to people. He helped many widows. He carried them along. See me, they call the phone and do the business. He carried all the whole family along for the same family business. That be say, before you want to embark on a polygamous, you need to strategize to ensure say you don't make error. No excuse for error for polygamous. If you don't make error, things don't start to spoil the goal. That is why you must be very, very intelligent. Equal right and justice. What I do, if I want to talk something, I don't need to hide them. We'll not get to the hide. For this, my 3 wives with this. So, me, Even if I decide to say, oh yeah, make all of una come sleep in my room this night, we'll get phone. Would they? We not the shame. We not be Adam and Eve where they call the shame, because why? They don't know say they commit sin. We know they commit sin between ourselves. We know say we all now one. We all now one. We not getting to the height. I don't need to come go back. I can say na my small wife, mostly all those men, when you just see small new chances, the small one not be here again. You begin suffer, woman. You begin put pains for the face and the lives of woman. But you think say na normal thing. Even God with the heaven will they fight against you, because nature can never be denied. If God himself fit bless Solomon as the greatest king in the world, when he get almost how many wives? And I read Bible, 300 wives and 700 concubines, according to what they 300 wives and 700 concubines, according to what they talk. But God still bless them. God not talk say, hey, as you don't marry many na sin. No, where God for come verse. So woman rapper day. If you be woman rapper, you cannot make a polygamous home.
Character.
If you be woman rapper of Yonko, na so Benin talk am. If you be woman rapper, you know if you make polygamous home. Woman go shout, you go dey shake. Your wife go yonko, you go dey shake. Why you dey shake? Because your hand not clean. If your hand clean, if your wife make pen you strike, you go know say na she wrong. So you don't need to dey shake for woman. Who dey shake na people dey fear. You don't need to, because if you enter some houses today now, the house is the latest house wey they see today now. Now women be the maid for the house. And a taboo. That is why their children no dey better, because na nature. Nature say na man supposed to lead. A child without a balanced behavior no get balanced life. They go dey follow only their mama side, because the man weak. Na weak look. They follow their mama side. The children will come turn to mumu too. If they see they are so girls, they are girl when they want to marry, go see they rule them like toy. But when women go, they rule their husband, they go, they happy. They don't know say the thing will still fall for their picky head, because na so girls go see other women go see rule your picky like toy. So nothing goes for nothing. Do the needful when you get the needful. If you do wrong thing, you see wrong thing. So my word, you know, pastor. That one they talk about. If you want your polygamous home to be very peaceful, family member they scatter. When they say beware, men women they beware from friends. Men women they beware from friends. Friends even better pass family member. Do you hear me so? Friends better pass family members. Friends, family members danger more than friends. 99% of broken homes today now mother-in-law, in-law, sister of wife, but they scatter everywhere. So if you want me your polygamous home still strong, not be only say you dey do your good, say you dey treat your wives with equal right and justice, say you don't end there. Oh, might talk another secret wey be say you go do all those things, they no still appreciate you. Might talk one way, can see where the real secret. If you marry anyone, as you monitor the family. When you monitor the family, you don't see and say this one and the one will give your home problem. You will avoid your wife from even a mama. Avoid your wife from your mama. Some prophet who they talk about, so all those native doctors, they even better pass mother-in-law, some mother-in-law. Anything go bring danger to your polygamous home. You the man, now you they fight the war. You want not to give your wife advice. If they love you, if they talk truth, if they give them advice, they'll take. Mother-in-laws, father-in-laws, family members, then they destroy polygamous home. So, well, me, I don't experience so many things about the housewife I go marry, but I still give thanks to God to. They say at the end of the day, now be battle between me and my wife. So now battle between me and my wife's family. My wife don't get friends. If my wife get friends, my home for scatter. Not be say not get friends. So friends now friends of business, yes, business partner. Not be friends or say one woman your fine as I your them this couple so follow chest. Well, as well as my soul.
Mama dey person dey
One
ask.
woman just come go say, come ask of mama Onume. It never happen. And e no go fit happen. My wives never quarrel. My wives are not nagging. They are not nagging women. You know, some women get like mad. This is when my mama born me call it now. As a big, I never see my mama quarrel. My mama never quarrel once for life. So that time they teach my wife, say, "Mona be like my mama." So now say, Bill, if you want to make your polygamous home be successful, monitor your family, your in-laws. And they still there are more people. They even worse past prophet and native doctor. And native, if you allow your wife to go native doctors, they go pastor, they go prophet,
They go all night.
your marriage they are stink. Thank you.
Okay. Now before we round up, I want to ask you this question. You don't get any time where we say nobody is perfect. Oh.
Yes,
Maybe
yes.
someone issue just come happen.
Thank you.
Maybe say the wife will come to one side, you will come to one side. You understand? Whether you don't experience, whether you dey lecture us now,
Yes,
they lecture
yes,
us.
yes, yes.
We will dey propagate polygamy.
Yes, thank you.
We will not get the
Thank
plan
you.
to marry the third one now.
Thank you.
We need to you do everything now. In case
Yes.
things up.
Yes, thank you very much. You never get one day when matter take day my wife they come go one side. Now me and they go still join. The one where they misbehave, now me the rest two go join. They not be saying I fight o. They come they say why you dey behave like that? Why you dey behave like nonsense? Why you dey behave like idiot or foolish? They will begin they wash am. As they dey wash am, my mind go come down. E no get any time. And when I say perfect, by the grace of God, me I dey learn perfection. I too perfect for that area. I no dey offend my wife. So I want me to still carry the camera and meet them. Say well I get any area wey una husband sister dey offend una.
Una talk say equal right and justice.
And I say be e no dey. E no dey. I perfect for that
For my brother,
area.
you get one day for one woman wey dey disturb you well for zone 5, that police woman wey be say wan provide justice.
Yes.
Wey be say
Yes.
your wife, son of the every children dem
Yes.
dey enjoy you
Yes.
protest.
Patient Omokaro.
I don't know mention
Yeah,
today.
patient. Yes.
Dey enjoy you protest.
Yes. Yes.
Wey be say some policemen come see this one say why?
Yes.
Wetin be this one? That be say the activism so wey dey do activism wey dey that be say you get the blessings of your wives. Maybe sometimes na be say issue
Yes.
that whether they don discourage you once,
No.
then they carry activists go prison, all those kind of stuff.
Thank you.
Whether they encourage you
Yes.
into
Yes.
this
Thank you.
activistic.
That is my wife's. That's my wife's for you. Mostly when no just when well you tell they say masses don't come in collect, Dokpaye don't come in. My wife's not the green again. Now they go over they worry me say daddy go now and people they die so people they cry. Daddy go. I go live and really I swear by the Almighty God. I go leave all my activities where business supposed to bring money. I go. My wife go dey cry. Where they see, whether they hear the matter, they hear the situation of oppression, they hear the matter of intimidation. In fact, my wives they support me for activism. If not for my wife, I will not be successful for activism issue. Thank you.
Yes, we want round off the program now. At least already the informer. Comrade informer.
Sit down there.
So you know say informer na be the second father of the house.
Yes.
Me no know in fact all the food is good. Everybody na one. You understand? At least we'll see here from informer.
Yes.
Informer.
Want to ask you a question?
Informer.
You
You speak English.
Na English also,
You speak English. Informer,
Yes, sir.
what class are you doing?
JSS1.
JSS1. That's
Yes, sir.
good. And you are also a computer guru.
Yes, sir.
You learn how to learn. Are you done with the computer program?
Yes, sir.
God bless you. So you can demystify laptop for me now.
Yes, sir.
God bless you. God bless you. And you are also a comrade.
Yes, sir.
But you are not the youngest comrade though. I think we have younger ones who are also comrades. So sometimes do you have issue? Maybe you quarrel with your brothers or your sisters. Sometimes at home. Okay, if you quarrel, how do you? God bless you.
direct go. If I'm correct with my younger ones, I don't just fight because the wisdom that my God and our ancestors have already given me, I will solve the problem. Because me and my younger ones we don't fight. None of my younger ones have already fight in this house because they take that character from my father and my three mothers. Thank you, sir.
Oh, you have you say, oh, you are in fact, oh, no problem. You are a man. That you don't, you what? Come, look at what this young man with wisdom. He said, there is a precedent already established by my father and my three mothers. In fact, may Solomonic wisdom never depart from you.
Amen.
So shall it be. You are going to be greater than your father.
Amen.
No weapon
Yes,
fashioned
yes,
against
yes.
you shall prosper. You shall not end as the president of this country. You shall be celebrated internationally. So shall it be. And it has been crowned by God and our ancestors. God bless you. Let's go to Princess now. Princess,
Sir.
you are the in the interim. I think you are the only princess in the house. That's why I said in the interim. In the interim, you are the only princess in the house. Oh, very very soon. I know your daddy is hardworking. He's hardworking. More princesses are coming. So that you see the when you still give away not the size you again, you still give to your younger sisters. Do your brothers as a girl the house? If sometimes your brothers they want because as a girl now they want to intimidate you sometimes. Is there anything like intimidation?
No, sir. Because we used to play like friends. That is the school. Sometimes we used to even play Susan.
What class are you?
Two.
Primary 2. And you know how to play Susan very well.
Yes.
And you play Susan with the twins. The twins. They so just the men. The twins when I call them. Okay, Ejiro my voice.
Look at it.
Okay, Ejiro my voice.
Oyoma. Say Oyoma.
Power 2.
Primary 2.
Yes.
So you have
Sit back and
relax well.
Yes.
Sometimes do you quarrel with your brothers?
No.
Okay. You don't quarrel with them.
Yes.
Guys, sit down and
Okay, you know how to play Susan too.
Yes.
So sometimes you also wear Ejiro, you also wear comrade shirt sometimes.
Yes, sir.
You wear his shoes sometimes.
Yes, sir.
And no, don't quarrel.
Yes.
And clap for yourself. Yes. What is your name? Onome. Onome. Look at the camera. And you are in fact you love your daddy and your mommy.
Yes.
Why? You love them, Abi?
Yes.
Why?
Okay.
Because they have justice. So clap for yourself.
Say it loud. Because they have justice.
Justice, yes. Yes. What is your name?
Okay.
Ovoke Mavo.
Oyoma.
Is it Oyoma?
None of them are big.
Have you quarreled? In fact, you cannot even distinguish time. Thank God, not only you have 3 mothers. That's why you cannot even distinguish the one that. Have you quarreled with your baby brother sometimes? Maybe.
No.
No, you're always playing Susan.
Yes.
Susan, You know how to play Susan too?
Yes, sir.
What class are you?
KG3.
KG3.
Yes.
KG2, okay, so my daughter age mate.
Yes.
Okay, yes, man. 23, that's today. Okay, God bless you. You are back from the, you are not yet from the children. According to the narrative, when we ask the senior, the first born just now, say now he get, the papa already teach them on how to imbibe the spirit of equal right and justice.
Yes.
And not only his father, his 3 mothers.
Yes.
For those people where they get fear, for the feet, the mama, the feet, go. For those people where they get fear, okay, man. For those people where they get fear for, those people they get fear for polygamy, if you need advice on how to be successful in polygamous home, you need to consult Prince Terry Ogbeni. Now, young man, 3 wives, see the way the 3 wives, they don't be say get one for Lagos, you go get one for Sokoto, you go get one. You understand? He bring the 3 of them together. He don't tell us some of the way we say they bring them together, the way we say he don't way to make them they successful. He already tell us. From time to time, we go the engage them, make it tell us the latest, and when he tell us, we will still let the public know. Polygamy not be sin.
So,
Polygamy not be crime. The former Olowo of Owo kingdom of Owo, yes, Olowo. They say the man gets more than 20 wives. Another 20 wives, he gets the children where they born. Some of them are judges of federal high courts, judges of high courts, lawyers there, medical doctors there, senior advocate of Nigeria there. So many children where the man born, you not get anyone where he did with what for inside. Yet people dey see the talk say polygamy is bad. Polygamy is bad. Some people now don't talk say polygamy is bad. Now every year then they take them marry. If they marry today, after 1 year they go divorce. They will divorce and they marry. They will go marry another one again. After 1 year they go divorce. At the end of the day, you just say about 5 they will marry by legitimately marry 5 women and they go divorce them. You will say polygamy not good. Indirectly, you are a polygamist.
yes.
Just better do am. We say no to side chickism.
Yes.
We say no to engaging slave queens. Instead of doing that, legalize it, get married, embrace polygamy, and women make una not dey jealous again.
Yes.
Our mothers don talk and just now say once jealousy no dey, the home go dey very very successful.
Yes.
And with this, we will round off this our interview session with Prince Terry Ogbeni. 1. God bless you. Make una share the video. Make una like our page. If you want get more tutorial on how to be successful in a polygamous home, our number dey there. Go our page. You say our number there. You will call. We will give you link with Prince Terry Ogbeni. We will finally tutor us. Thank you and God bless you.
Abeg, help us share this video and let us know what you think for comment section. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, try make you subscribe so that make you for the hear all the things wey dey happen for Nigeria. Make I leave you now with this video, make you help us share am. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.